there is going to be one gem, maybe two, maybe three gems that's going to arrest your attention about today's episode. Today's episode is entitled, oh, I forgot to introduce myself. I go by the name of ED. For all you smart and intelligent folks out there, listen, that just simply means Ed. I have an 8-point framework, and these 8 points, my goal, my mission is to unpack today's episode, which is entitled, How to Resign from a Project Management Job. Again, how to resign from a project management job. You know, this came about, I was reading I hope you don't mind if I share this story with you real quick. I was reading through some information, and it came up in my feed. And in my feed, it kind of caught me off guard because it didn't explain what I'm about to articulate here right now. The headline just said help. And I'm like, what is this about? So I opened it up, check it out, and it was funny because I shared a similar story, and I said, you know, what if I brought this to the family and I shared with them, and then gave them resources how to effectively move forward if you make that decision.